Welcome back to Best Way to Study. In this video, let's see what are the most top trending and highest paying jobs in India. Okay, so this video is based on 100% analysis, and you can just watch this video till the end to get the complete information. Okay, so now let's begin this video. First, most important highest paying job is blockchain developer. Okay, uh, so you need to have complete blockchaining techniques and technologies in mind in order to get this job if you wanted to be a blockchain developer. Okay, second is data scientist. If you want to be a scientist, like data scientist, you should be capable of managing the large organizations data. Okay, so coming to any organization, it will be having minimum of a very huge data, so that you should be capable of managing and organizing. Like you should be capable of maintaining, managing and organizing that large amount of the data, huge data. Okay, if you wanted to be an data scientist, right? Next is machine learning expert. To be a machine learning expert, you should be really good with programming in R or programming in Python. Okay, so coming to machine learning, you should be, if you wanted to be a machine learning expert, you should be really good with the statistics. Okay, you should be so fast in statistics and mathematics. Coming to the next most highly paid job is full stack software developer. If you are from B Tech, M Tech, CSC, or like any other technical course, if you're from any other technical background, then you can happily go for the full stack software developer. What full stack software developer needs to do is he should be capable of creating, developing a software or websites. Okay, then you can just be a full stack software developer. Next is product management. Product management is nothing but it is a some kind, like, so not so IT job, but it is having a highest paying job. Like it is having the huge demand in our India. Okay, what project management does? If you wanted to be a project manager, you should be capable of understanding the customer requirements to the full-fledged knowledge. Okay, so you should be capable of understanding the knowledge. You should have the complete knowledge of the customer requirements and you should be capable of understanding them. Okay, next is Python developer. If you wanted to be a Python developer, you should be really good at Python programs. Okay, next is cloud architect. Okay, so this, if you are good at AWS or Azure or cloud computing, you can be an cloud architect, right? Next, if you are good at big data, you can be a big data engineer. Big data engineer is also highest paying jobs in India. If you have good knowledge in business intelligence, big business intelligence analyst, you can just be a business intelligence analyst, and it is also a top most highest paying jobs in India. Last but not least, Devops engineer. If you're good at DevOps, you can be a DevOps engineer. DevOps is nothing but full form of DevOps is DEV stands for development, OPS stands for operations. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends. And last but not least, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.